Is your PC or laptop groaning under the weight of too much data? Let's uncover those hidden storage hogs. First, we need to access Windows built-in storage analysis tool. Press the Windows key and the I key simultaneously to open your settings. Once in settings, click on System from the left-hand menu. Now, select storage from the options on the left. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a breakdown of how your disk space is being used. Windows will automatically scan your drive and show you categories of data taking up space, like apps and features, documents, and temporary files. What we're primarily looking for here are the largest culprits. Click on Apps and Features. This will list all of your installed programs, and importantly, you can sort this list by size. Scroll through and identify any applications you no longer use or that are unusually large. You can uninstall them directly from here by clicking on the app and then selecting Uninstall. Next, go back to the main storage screen and click on Temporary Files. This is a goldmine for freeing up space. You'll see a list of files Windows categorizes as temporary, such as your Downloads folder, the Recycle bin, and Windows Update Cleanup. Select the checkboxes for the files you want to remove. Be cautious about your Downloads folder if you haven't reviewed its contents recently. Once you've selected the files, click the Remove Files button. Windows will then prompt you to confirm your choice. For even greater detail, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the yellow folder icon on your taskbar, then navigate to your primary drive, usually labeled C. In File Explorer, click on the View tab at the top, then click on Options and select Change Folder and Search Options. In the Folder Options window, ensure that Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives is checked. Click Apply and then OK. Now, in the search bar at the top right of File Explorer, you can type specific file size filters. For example, to find files larger than, say, 1 GB, you type size gigantic. This will display all files on your drive that meet that size criterion. Review these results carefully. You might find large video files, old backups, or massive application caches that you can safely delete or move to external storage. Always double-check before deleting any file to avoid losing important data. By regularly identifying and clearing out these storage-hungry items, you're not just freeing up space. You're also optimizing your device's performance, making it run faster and smoother. Happy cleaning!